Hi, we ordered this heater since, one of the rooms was not heating enough. So we thought of ordering a space heater that can, keep the room warm. So we ordered this GiveBest heater and really like the way it works. We previously we had the Lasco brand one and it was working well, and we wanted one more. We wanted to get this and see how it works. I'll show you how it goes. So first we plug this in, and it has different modes, so you can use a remote. And then there's an on button in which you can change the settings. Either you can set it to high or low, as you can see over here. You can choose to adjust the temperature. Either you can make it high or you can make it low. There's an oscillating feature in this, like the previous brand ones. So you can choose to keep it still, or you can choose to keep it oscillating in the room. And there's a timer feature in which you can choose the setting. If you want to set it for 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the max you can set it to. And this is how you can just turn it off. Either you can manually do it on the buttons over here, or you can use a remote. For that you would need 2 AAA batteries. It doesn't come with it. And this is the oscillating feature. And so far we are really pleased with this purchase. It works exactly how it should be. So I would definitely recommend it. It also comes with a manual which will help you how to use it. So it's pretty much just like the other brand heaters. It's a nice quality one.
Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you today about the GiveBest heater. It's a 2-foot ceramic heater. Comes with this awesome little remote. And it's got a timer from 1 to 8 hours. It's got this nice little digital display. Nice easy buttons to hit. It's got a tip over sensor. So if you tip it over, it shuts the power off to it completely. And when you put it back on, or tip it upright, it shuts off. It needs to turn it back on again. It's great for large rooms. It's super quiet and portable. It's safe around family and pets. It rotates 60 degrees. As you can see here, it's rotating now. It goes from 41 degrees all the way up to 90 degrees, and also low and high. It kicks on within 2 degrees of whatever temperature you set it at too, which is really nice. It's really fast heating, and it's ETL certified. It also shuts off at 122 degrees for safety. I like this heater and I would probably get more. I'm giving it 5 stars. Thank you.